Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix we can't set up mobile hotspot error in Windows 11, 10. First method is network and internet troubleshooting. Second method is change service settings. Third method is update Windows. Fourth method is network reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.